So this is Pia. Pia is a 1971 Fiat 500 Lusso. That's what the L stands for. She's very luxurious. So Pia was a project that I took on with my buddy Roberto Quattrin while we lived in Italy. Pia was purchased out of a field, well, kind of a field, a backyard, overgrown, tons of rust. And when I say I took on the project, I took on the budgetary aspects of it. Roberto did all the work. All I did was show up with donuts on Saturday mornings. That was back in 2013, and did a full rotisserie restoration, as you can see in the photos that you've seen on this video or will see. And Roberto painted it the original color, which is coral red, and I did the interior with camel colored seats and door panels and carpet, and the original engine went right back in, just cleaned up. Original transmission still has some clutch issues I'm gonna have to work through, but Pia was a project that I took on specifically for my mother-in-law. While we lived in Italy for 3 years, my in-laws came to see us a couple times, and my mother-in-law, Christina Sanchez, fell in love with my little car Luigi that you've seen in a previous video. So before we moved back, I had to figure out a way to get one done for her. So Pia lives in central New Mexico now, and she doesn't get driven often. The clutch is kind of give and take. I think it's mostly take. I think I might have snapped a weld on the Bowden tube, so the clutch goes as it wants to instantly. Every time you depress the clutch, when you let it out, you better hope you're ready, because you're going. So this is Pia, 1971 Fiat 500L. So you'll notice the difference in Pia and Luigi. With the Lusso, it had a different dash, a more modern dash. So it's got the horizontal speedo instead of the round speedo pod. Different steering wheel. Like I said, different dash. It's not the painted dash. This is kind of like the Super Beetle is to Beetles. A little bit more upscale. You can see the color that I chose. It's funny for the interior. The interior for Pia was originally black, and I chose to go with this camel specifically because the parts store guy in the town that near where I lived said he had a full kit that he was willing to sell me for next to nothing. So I bought it. I thought it would look good with the coral red, and it does. Alright, so engine-wise, we've got a standard 2-cylinder air-cooled, I believe this one's a 494 cc, probably about 14 to 15 horsepower from the factory, oil cleaner, air cleaner, excuse me, and obviously just the 2 spark plugs for the 2 cylinders. As you can see, Pia has towel bar bumpers as well as the hubcaps instead of the exposed lugs that you see on Luigi. So as we do a quick look here, those overrider bumpers, those little push bars, are what I'm referring to as the towel bars. Those were on Lussos and some of the other earlier models, but not on the Rinnovata.